currency can look ordinary while hiding a national secret. Denmark's krone is famously kept remarkably stable against the euro, yet every banknote must pass through a world of extraordinary precision and security. Behind its historic designs lies a hidden manufacturing chain of paper, ink, inspection, cutting, and protection, where one tiny mistake can stop millions from circulating. Watch until the end to uncover the secrets behind Denmark's currency.
The airflow separation rate is stabilizing now. Good, the HEPA filters are holding steady. The injection rate for the stabilizing agent looks optimized.
Confirmed. Levels are holding steady within the parameters.
The pulp density is increasing according to spec.
Verified. We are clear to advance to engineering.
Opening the transfer valves.
Adjusting the focus now. The morphology looks good. Confirmed. The digital readout verifies the approval. As the web passes the couch roll, moisture is extracted and fiber consolidation begins. Engineers monitor The transmitted light analysis shows consistent watermark density. And the metallic thread embedding looks stable. As the web passes the couch roll, moisture is extracted and fiber consolidation begins. Engineers monitor.
We're maintaining maximum speed without vibration.
The servo adjustments are keeping it well within tolerance.
The topographic variance matches the reference plate perfectly.
And the optical density on the 1,000 kroner note is well within tolerance.
The registration on the microprinting is precise.
Confirmed. The optical scanners show perfect alignment across the run.
Transmitted light confirms the security thread is correctly embedded. Good. The macro cameras verify the intaglio sharpness. The UV signature on sheet 47 is slightly out of spec. The AI flagged that anomaly, and let's zoom in on sector gamma. Output efficiency is up, but the rejection rate spiked on the third batch. Let's cross-reference the laser measurements for that time frame.
Truck 47 is transporting 3.5 billion DKK. Ensure the coastal bypass is clear.
Acknowledged. We have visual confirmation on the bypass checkpoint now.
Authorization code confirmed. Begin loading sequence 1.
Loading sequence initiated. Bay secure.